So I just tweak it a little bit. Hello everybody and welcome on this channel. Now, this is not the first video, but this is actually my attempt of recreating the first video that I ever tried to make, where I was making something very simple, and it was Stylus. Stylus, if you don't know what it is, it's actually something like ancient Roman or Greek pen. It has been used to actually scribe something on the box tablets, and today I actually make a version of it out of this piece of material. So enjoy, and I hope you will have a fun. So the first thing I actually need is to actually shape this piece of material to be more fun. I mean visual one. So I just tweak it a little bit. now we have something that looks like this. Now we actually have to make the point, right? We have something to write, right? Okay. So voila, our pen is ready to write. But what pen or pencil, pardon me, without a razor? And because we're talking about ancient tablets, which was made out of wax, then we made basically a flat surface which you can scratch the wax, right? Makes sense, I hope. So, and voila! Our pen, pencil with razor is with us. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe I see you next time with another project of my own. Anyway, the last thing to do is ask you kindly to subscribe, share, like, ring the bell icon, and all the other fun things. I leave it up to you. So, see you next time.